Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG's new CineBeam Smart Portable Projector. So friend, LG has announced the new CineBeam Smart Portable Projector, and friend, it is made to deliver transformative home theater experience with easy in any room. And friend, the PF510Q model is currently available at LG.com for $600 for streaming their favorite movie. Engaging in a virtual fitness class, user can enjoy versatility and portability of this projector. And friend, it is easy to carry for room to room or on the go and blend seamlessly with any space. And friend, the smart portable projector presents a wide range of display size from an intimate 30-inch up to impressive 120-inch, providing the benefit to adjusting the screen size to best fit for a variety of viewing interfaces. And friend, its full HD resolution allows user to watch movies or play videos in high quality. And friend, the sound is just as important when it comes to immersing yourself in content you watch, and the Bluetooth audio dual out feature allows the CineBeam PF510Q projector to create sound to user preference, and whether pairing two Bluetooth devices to watch with a friend or amplifying a movie with two external speakers for full immersion, the projector's Bluetooth feature allow user to always have full control in any environment. And friend, its Apple AirPlay and Apple Home compatibility feature enable wireless control of the projector plus streaming capabilities from Apple device. And friend, it is easy to access on webOS 22. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.